Okay, hopefully this works. I ordered this USB to lightning cable adapter. However, it doesn't work. The part is this guy here. So how I was hoping to use it, you can see that on my iPhone I've got the order up. I'm using this Apple video connector, and you can see that it displays to my TV. If I rotate this, let's try something else. There we go. You can see that, you can see that my phone is displayed to the TV. Next, I'll unplug my phone and then install the connector I purchased, this guy here. And then I've got the USB or lightning cable hooked up to that. And then plug it into my phone, and you can see that there's no signal on the TV. Now if I remove that and then remove the connector I purchased and then plug my phone back in, you can see that it's displayed again on my TV. So I'm pretty sure that the part I purchased is defective.